In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to never lose your Miro board. Whether you're a seasoned Miro user or a beginner, ensuring your important boards are backed up can save you a lot of headaches. Luckily, Miro has a built-in method that allows you to manually back up your boards, and I'm going to walk you through that process step by step. First, let's talk about exporting your Miro board as a .rtb file. This is a great option for creating a manual backup. Let's start by opening the board you want to safeguard. Once you have the board in front of you, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that. When the menu drops down, you'll want to locate the Board section. From there, navigate to Export. You'll see the option labeled Download Board Backup. Clicking on this will initiate the process of generating a backup file. This file will be saved with a .rtb extension. At this point, you might be wondering where to save this file. You have a couple of options. You can either save the .rtb file directly to your device or select a location in the cloud, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, for added security. Saving your file to the cloud is an excellent choice if you access your boards from multiple devices or want extra peace of mind. There's also an alternative way to export your board directly from the Miro dashboard if that's more convenient for you. Find the board you wish to back up as a thumbnail on your dashboard. To do this, simply right-click on the board thumbnail. A menu will pop up, and you'll see the option Download Board Backup there as well. Selecting this will start the file download in exactly the same way as when you export from within the board itself. These steps are essential for maintaining a personal backup of your collaborative work, ensuring that your efforts are never wasted or lost due to unforeseen circumstances. It's a good habit to periodically back up your boards, especially after making significant changes or updates. Create a routine that works for you. Maybe it's weekly, monthly, or even just after major projects, and stick to it. Remember, having these manual backups stored securely can save you time and frustration. That's it. Now you know how to manually back up your Miro boards. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. With these backups in place, you can now work on your boards with more confidence, knowing that your hard work is securely saved. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy mirroring.